Hey guys, welcome to another video. I wanted to bring you guys this pretty cool little mod that you guys can do to your Toyota Tacoma and show you guys how to get this cover off and replace the mirror turn signal. What you'll need for this obviously is the new part. Some pry tools are always helpful, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's jump into it. So I bought these from CaliRaisedLED. They're kind of just a plug and play blackout turn signal thing that's going to be sequential as well. It's going to look pretty cool, and I'll show you guys some video of that. But it's going to go in here and I'll show you guys how to get it done. As you can see, we kind of already took the plastic piece off here. We're going to jump over to the other mirror and show you how that's done. So right here you can kind of see it separates when you guys get closer to your mirror. What you're going to do is just stick the pry tool or flathead screwdriver to get you started under here. I had to switch tools, but be super careful when you're doing this. Anyway, when you get started, you can kind of hear those clips starting to break loose. They're just the pull tabs that are in there. But as you go along all the way around and all the way around on the bottom with your pry tools and your screwdriver here, you'll be able to pop off the cap like we did with the other one and get her going. And I'll just kind of show you here. You got your pry tool and you just kind of pry up on the plastic tabs here, and you go all the way around. And once you go all the way around, it'll just kind of pop right off and you'll be able to get to the part. So with the screwdriver and the pry tool here, we're able to work our way around, get those plastic pull tabs out of the holes. Now we're going to jump in, get our Phillips head screwdriver, get those two screws out of there. We're going to unplug this right here, put our new part in, and see how cool this guy looks. Check it out. So if you guys decide to buy this product, I'll leave it linked in the description below, but it comes with this little switch. But this switch on this thing is for the sequential or non-sequential. So you can turn it on as actually this way and turn it off as this way. I'll jump in and show you guys that real quick. So with the switch in this position right here, you can see it does the cool sequential blinking there. And then when you turn it into that position, it just does the normal turn signal blink. So it does give you that option, kind of cool. And now with the wiring all tucked away how I like it, the screws back on, we're gonna go ahead and put our cover back on and clip all the little plastic tabs back into place and jump onto our second mirror and get this guy all taken care of. All right, out with the old and in with the new. Check it out. I think that looks awesome, especially with my black truck. But I wanted to bring this awesome, fun little mod to you guys that just improves and personalizes the look of your Toyota Tacoma. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video.